Hi, welcome to week 2. First off, I want to say that I am just so impressed with everyone in this class. You're all doing an amazing job. I really enjoyed reading all of the discussion board posts and all of your assignments. You are all on track, being successful in your career exploration journey. So keep up the good work, okay? So there's one thing I want to cover and review in regards to this week. Okay, so let's take a look at modules. When we look at module 2, you're going to see that it's going to look a little different. There's going to be a little link that says complete all items up at top. It's important to understand what that means. What that means is there's a prereq built into the module this week. You cannot jump ahead. If you look at all the items in the module, they're all grayed out. If you try to click on it, it will not open. You have to start up at the top and work your way down. Okay, so we will click on Module 2, the overview, which will be the first page in the module. You'll need to read the page, watch the video, click on Next to go to the next page, and then so forth. You're going to want to do that for all of the pages in the module. And then eventually you're going to be able to access the assignments for the week. This week, we're going to take several different career assessments. So embrace it, enjoy. This is the fun part of the class, learning more about yourself. You're going to take the Myers-Briggs and the Strong Interest. You're going to use O-Net to look at work values. And you're going to take Cougar Journey and look at interest, values, and abilities. So have fun this week. Take all the assessments. Make sure you need to go in order. If you are need help and you have questions, feel free to use the inbox in Canvas and send me a message. I am here to help you on your journey. Okay, so have fun.